Alright family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. My channel is everyday aware natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. If you love this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. It will really help my video in the YouTube algorithm. You can also follow me on Instagram as Selina Zinchuk and also my business page at SSecrets2018. In today's video, we are going to put cloves water and my 3 great hair growth oil to a test. I'm going on a 7 days hair growth challenge and I'm taking you guys along. I want you guys to see the before and after result and you let me know what you think about it. Our first treatment we will be using is our cloves water. I've been using Cloves treatment on my daughters and myself hair regularly along with our hair growth oils and I have seen great results with it. Cloves repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to the hair shaft. When applied regularly, in turn it improves blood circulation in the scalp and promotes stronger hair growth. This miracle ingredient also reduces hair fall. It solves the root cause of hair thinning. It keeps your scalp healthy, it reduces scalp infection, and it also thickens your hair. Cloves are rich in number of nutrients required for hair growth. Cloves consist of potassium, sodium, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, magnesium, vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber. Cloves are also loaded with antioxidants that help protect the hair from damage. So I just put 2 cups of water in a pot, I heat it up, and I transfer our clove to our measuring cup. I'm going to leave this for 3 days in the fridge for the cloves to infuse in the water. I left this in the fridge for 3 days for it to ferment, infuse, and as you guys can see how dark the water is looking. This is just looking very rich and potent. So I'm now just going to transfer it into my spray bottle. And then I'm gonna go and cold wash my hair, clean my hair because I want to apply this on clean hair. I want for our challenge to be on clean hair. And after that, we'll start to apply the treatment to our hair. I'm just mixing my Secrets Clove oil, caffeine, and carrot growth oil, and this is what I'm going to use all week along with our clove solution. So I just put my hair in braids. This is how it is looking from the front. Let me just turn around so you can see the back. And that is how the back is looking. I'm just going to mix this up really good, and every day I'm going to apply this to my hair every day for 7 days. All I'm going to do is just first apply the treatment on my scalp, and I already used some of the treatment to put my hair in braids. Going to make sure that I get my scalp correctly. Also not forgetting my edges. Just massage it in. And also just apply all over my hair. After that, I'm also going in with our 3 different oils. I just put it into my caffeine powder, but I'm also just gonna apply it on my skin. And just massage it in also. Not forgetting our edges. So we're gonna apply some on the ends of my hair. I'm going to do this every day for 7 days straight, and then after I will come back for also see the result. Okay family, so this is 7 days later. Hubby and I, we are about to go watch a movie, so I just have to make this very fast. This is 7 days later, and I did this treatment every day. I was really consistent with it. I didn't miss any day, and I applied the last treatment today to make it 7 days. And then after, when I started to look at it, I was like, what? This was really possible? And it's just 7 days, right? So let's see exactly how much growth we got and how our hair is looking. Let me first just turn around for you guys to see how the back is looking. And I can see that I got a lot of growth from it, because if I pulled my hair, and this is just 7 days. I'm totally surprised over it. I wish I could have gone for a whole month or for 2 weeks, but I got a photo shoot coming up. But this alone just showed me how effective this treatment was, along with my growth oils, because I mixed 3 different oils together, as you guys can see. And this is how it is looking. Let me just turn around. This is the back section. As you guys can see, all of this hair are together right now. When I first braided my hair up, there was no way I could do this together, but they are all together. I can pull them apart. So yes,
You let me know what you think, but I'm pretty sure that my 7-day hair growth challenge was a success. And because of that, I'm going to continue to do this for the whole month of May. I'm going to wash my hair once a week and then put my hair in braids and continue with my cloves treatment and also with my 3 hair growth oils. And that's also really great because I also kind of just have a low manipulation hairstyle on my hair, so I wouldn't have to take my hair down and work on it. All I have to do is just apply the treatment and apply the growth oil. So let me know what you think about it, but I think this was a success. I'm about to run out with hobby for us to go and watch our movie. If you love this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to also give this a try, you can tag me in your result. I'm pretty sure you will also have a success with it. You guys know we are still on our 6-month hair growth challenge. So if you want to do this for the whole month of May, this will be amazing. I can highly attest that you will see a difference in your hair length, and your hair health. So I'm going to do this for the whole month of May, and then for the month of June, we'll come up with something, or maybe just continue this. If you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. And happy Mother's Day to all the amazing mothers out there.